Hello, everyone. I am pumping out the content to you guys because it's summertime and we're going to the lake and we have family coming. So get used to this shirt. I could change my clothes and fake you guys out, but I'm not going to do that. I'm pumping it out. So tonight I'm going to show you a cool, quick page, and it's just folding, basically. Just going to fold some pages. Please follow my Facebook page, like, subscribe, and hit that little bell on my YouTube so you know when other things are coming out. And I hope you like this page. Let's get started. Oh, I'll be honest, this is not my idea. I am copying. I love to copy. This is from a fellow advisor. She happens to be on my team, and I think it's a clever thing. So let's get started. So here's the page I made already. This is with the Showtime collection. I love it. So simple, so quick, so easy. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So stick that to the side. I'm going to use Showtime again. I got a couple embellishments I want to use. I got this piece of paper, and I need one more piece of paper. The first order of business is to get your 13-inch cutting mat out, and you're going to fold your designer paper that you like both sides of, and I like to make it kind of drastic between the two. But you're going to fold it from the top corner to the 6-inch mark down here on your mat. And it doesn't have to be perfect, obviously. This is not a science or anything. See, that's not even all the way to the corner, but it's fine. Make sure and crease that pretty good, and then fold, tape it down. Perfect, and then we're going to tape it to our base page. I'm using this very bright white. I love the Showtime collection. I feel like it's pretty versatile. As long as you're having parties, going to concerts, I don't know, going to plays. This one I'm going to probably gear more towards like New Year's, because we have fireworks on New Year's, or maybe 4th of July. Probably not 4th of July. Probably a New Year's page, honestly. So this is what we're going to do. We're just going to decorate it a little bit, and then I'm going to get some tone on tone from that collection and make some photo mats. And I think I'm just going to do like 3.5-inch squares. 2 of them, maybe 3 of them. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Let's do 2 for now and see what we like. So I think we could probably, I don't want to cover that up, that's for sure.